Impression kasi namin, magugulat talaga kami pag yan. Sobrang sexy mo, tapos bigla-bigla makikita mo may tumisilip ng babae. Eh talagang magugulat. Parang ano lang yan.
So mo siya guys, kato nga lalaki, he is telling that he is shocked seeing a sexy lady with a black or dark green in the some parts of the body. Huy! Kuya naman! Sobrang choosy mo. Gwapo ka? Are you handsome? Or, okay, let's say you are handsome physically in your own thought. Have some kindness naman in your heart to accept that we are human. Human being. We have flaws. We have we're not perfect. Even flawless people, they still have their own insecurities. So even if you'll see a person which is pretty, beautiful, but these people are also have insecurities inside of them or within both English pa more, inside or within themselves. Hoy! Mali na ha. Pero naglagot ko. Charot. Choosy pa. Before you choose a person which is perfect in your preference, make sure you are also handsome. You also have money to provide for her maintenance. Do you think it's easy for women it's easy for a woman to maintain her figure, her flawlessness, her skin and all? No, it's not easy. You need a lot of money. Even artists, they're going to dermatologists to preserve their beauty. So kanang imong naong nga murag naong pug tukmol. Mili pug ka, choosy. Labaw ra basad pug kang murag naong tubol. Don't be like that, kuya. Okay, be nice, be kind. Always be kind.